मित्रों नमस्कार. In the series of preparation for the board examination of term 2 for the class 10th mathematics, we have to bring a video, that is the practice and revision test 1 for the subject of mathematics. This is the part 1 video, and here you will get a question paper and the solution of the question paper also. You will get the question paper in the examination, that is in the board examination. So total marks of the question paper will be 40 marks, and total sections in the question paper, there are 3 sections in the question paper, and you will get section A, section B and section C. And total questions in this question paper, it will be contains total 14 questions. Okay, and the total timing for solution of these 14 questions, you will get 2 hours. And here in section A, you will get total 6 questions, and also you will get here 2 internal choice in this section, and there 2 questions you will get internal choice. So you will get total 8 questions in section A, and you will attempt only 6 question, and these questions are internal choice, means it will be, you will get just like that, or question 5 or in the option or. And in section B you will get total 4 questions, and there are 1 internal choice you will get in this section, 1 question. Okay, and after that in section C, once again you will get 4 questions, and here you will also get a 1 questions as internal choice. And there in the section number A, you will get questions all 2 marks, and in the section number B, you will get each questions of 3 marks, and in the section number C, you will get all questions of 4 marks. So dear, this is the pattern of the question paper. But in section C, you will get 2 questions as case study based question. In section C, you will get 2 questions. These are case study based question. So there are total 14 questions in all over question paper, and you will get 2 hours for solving these 14 questions, and total mark of the questions is 40. So dear, here is the sample paper for you. You will solve this question paper, and the link of the question paper you will get just into the description box, and here you will also get the solution of this question paper. The link of the solution of the question paper is also you will get just into the description box. So you can click on the link, then you will get the question paper, and also if you click on the second link, then you will get the solution of the question paper. So wish you all the best for the future. Thank you so much.